Okay, so this is me under a rock. It's hailing outside, and I decided to take shelter here. That's Alex over there. You can see his boots. Say hi, Alex. Chris and everybody else are on the other side. Yeah, you could probably hear him. I don't know. But, yeah, I'm not going to come over there, Chris. It's kind of wet and stuff. Alright, taking a video. So, see you later.